Hello everyone. Today we are having one more question, Newton laws of motion. Okay, let us go through it. Two masses 40 kg and 30 kg are connected by a weighted string. Passing over a frictionless pulley, the tension in the string will be. Now in this particular question, this is a wedge type of question. If you see here, there is a pulley which is a frictionless, okay, and also a massless. And here it is passing through a string. There is a 40 kg block which is passing through the string and the pulley. On the other side, it is a 30 kg block and it is passing through the pulley. Okay. Now, before going to this, now let us show the reactions. So this is tension T, and this is also tension T. Okay. And if you observe over here, this block is not going away. This is not leaving the surface, or this is not going into the wedge. Okay. It means we need not worry about the normal forces. So we have to take the forces along the wedge and accelerations also along the wedge, and on this side also forces along the edge and accelerations along the wedge. Okay. Now already you know this resolution. If I am not wrong. Okay. And this is the normal force, and M1G will act downwards. Okay. And this one will become, and this angle will become theta, and this is M1G cos theta, and this one will become M1G sin. Okay. And after resolution, you need to cancel this. And also, I am not worrying about this normal reaction because the block is not leaving the surface or not going into the wedge. Okay. Now we got M1G sin theta downwards, and from here you easily can say that this 40 kg block, which is having more mass, will move downwards. Okay. So this I am taking it as A1, and this will move upwards. I am taking this as A. Okay. And also here I will resolve the forces again here, and this will become your M2G, and this one will become your theta, and this will become M2G cos theta. Okay. And here this resolution will become your M2G sin theta. Okay. Now the next step is to take the free body diagrams, and first we will calculate the acceleration. So once we get the acceleration, we will go through the tension calculation. Okay. Now here there are only two blocks, and it's very much easy to find out the free body diagram. So FBD of M1 block. Now you see here the acceleration is downwards this side, and tension is upwards, and M1G sin theta is downwards. Okay. Now this equation will become M1G sin theta minus T, which is equals to M1 into A. Okay. From here, what is the M1 value given in the question? 40 into 10 into, here theta how much they have given? 30 degrees. So sin 30 minus T, M1 is 40 and A1 is nothing but A1, which we have to calculate. Okay. So if you do this calculation, you know that sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Okay, from trigonometry. And now 40 into 10 will become 400, and 400 into 1 by 2 will become 200. So now this equation will become 200 minus T, which is equals to 40 A1. Now let it be equation number 1. Okay. Next, I will take FBD of M2 block. So if you take FBD of M2 block, so here M2G sin theta is downwards and T is upwards and acceleration is also upwards. So we have to take T minus M2G sin theta, which is equals to M2 times A. Okay. So now T is how much here? That is what we don't know it. So T minus M2 is given as 30 and G is 10, and sin theta is here also. What is the angle given here? 30 degrees. So sin 30 degrees, which is equals to M2 is how much? 30 into 8. So T minus 300 and half. This will become 150, which is equals to 30 into 8. Okay. If you observe over here, the entire string is passing over a single probe. So this A1 and A2 will become same. Okay. So let it be equation number 2, and A1 is equals to A2 equals to A. Okay. Now if you rewrite this equation, so this equation will become 200 minus P which is equals to 40A, and here also this will become how much? T minus 150. Okay, T minus 150 equal to 30 into 18. So this we can write it as T minus 150 equals to 30E. Why? Because A1 equals to A2 equals to A, because it is passing to a single line. Okay, so this is your equation number 1, and this is your equation number. Okay, now if you add equation number 1 and 2, okay, so first we will take left hand terms, 200 minus T plus T minus 150, which is equals to 40A plus 30A. Okay, so PT will get cancelled, this will become 50 is equals to 70A, A equals to 50 by 70, so 0 is cancelled, so acceleration is how much? 5 by 7 meter per second square. Still the problem is not at all. Okay, so we need to find out the tension. So what is the tension? We can substitute in the first equation, substitute second equation to get the tension value. So I am substituting A equals to 5 by 7 meter per second square in the equation 2. Okay, you can substitute even in 1 also, no issues. So T minus 150 equals to 30 times A. So T minus 150 equals to 30 times 5 by 7. So T minus T equals to 150 by 7. 30 into 5 is 157. This minus will become plus 150. So this together will become how much? So if you take 150 common here, so this will become 1 by 7 plus 1. So which is equals to 150 into 8 by 7. So 0, 40, 12. So 1200 by 7. Okay, so this is the tension that is developed in this string, which is equals to 1200 by 7 newtons. So this is also 1200 by 7. Still you can simplify it, but this is sufficient. Okay, thank you so much.